If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Wells Fargo account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account or mobile app. Review any notifications or messages regarding your account status that may indicate the reason for the billing hold. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Wells Fargo customer service at the number provided on their website or your account statement. Be prepared to provide your account information and explain the billing hold situation. Step 3. Verify your identity. During the call, you will need to verify your identity. Have your personal information ready, such as your social security number, account number, and any recent transactions that may be relevant. Step 4. Resolve any issues. Discuss the specific reason for the billing hold with the customer service representative. They may require you to address certain issues, such as outstanding payments or account verification, to lift the hold. Step 5. Confirm hold removal. Once the representative confirms that the issue has been resolved, ask for a confirmation that the billing hold has been lifted. Monitor your account to ensure that the hold is removed within the expected time frame. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly resolve any billing holds on your Wells Fargo account. If issues persist, consider visiting a local branch for further assistance.